Hi everyone, welcome back to Musings of a Millionaire. Today's topic is about Tourmaline Oil and how this company is really a cash cow of dividends. You really need to have this type of company in your portfolio because to build wealth, you need to make passive income. And stocks or companies like Tourmaline Oil give you a boatload of dividends every 3 months. And it's very important to have this type of company in your portfolio. So let's get into it. Let's talk about what this company does and how exactly it operates. Tourmaline Oil basically works out of the Western Canadian Sedimentary Basin, and it has basically a production of about 80% natural gas and 20% liquid oil. So it produces, or majority of its business is natural gas, and it transports the oil and the natural gas that's produced to the provinces of Canada and to the western United States, especially California. Now, the pricing of natural gas is determined by a thing called the Henry Hub price. So the nat gas prices are on Henry Hub, and that as of now, as of recording, is between $2.50 to $2.60 US. Now, this varies daily. However, the prices that Tourmaline sells as natural gas to Western United States, such as California, is much higher. So there's special pricing for Tourmaline Oil in supplying its gas to California, and not only to California, but also to other markets, international markets, such as Japan and Korea. So what happens is that there is a facility in Texas that converts Tourmaline's natural gas to liquefied natural gas, or better known as LNG. LNG is then transported in special containers to Asian markets, such as Japan and Korea. Those prices that this gas is being sold at is much higher compared to Henry Hub. We're talking 2 or 3 times the price. So this way, Tourmaline is making a lot of money selecting its target consumers. And essentially, there's a big difference between its expenses or the cost of operating and the return of its basically the selling of its product. A few weeks ago, Q2 earnings came out for Tourmaline. The total revenue was $1.64 billion, giving it an earnings per share of $1.49, and it issued a special dividend on August the 22nd of $1 per share. Now, this is a little bit lower compared to previous quarters. The prices, the natural gas prices during the spring and summer months were on the lower side, and so this special dividend that it issued was a little bit lower, but nonetheless, it's a great company that will continue to give out special dividends in the coming quarters, all of rest of 2023 and all of 2024. Now, the trailing 12-month yield of Tourmaline is 12%. Now, this is a great company because where else are you going to get 12% return on your investment with minimal risk? The great thing about Tourmaline Oil is that it essentially has no debt. The net debt is 0.2 times its 2023 expected cash flow, basically $791 million of net debt versus $3.62 billion of expected yearly cash flow. That translates into 0.2 times. Basically, that's no debt, to put it simply. Finally, I want to talk about LNG Canada, and this is a game changer for Tourmaline Oil and for other natural gas producing companies of Canada, which includes ARC Resources. and I will talk about ARC Resources on another video. But really, LNG Canada is a game changer. Essentially, LNG Canada is a project that is being undertaken in Kitimat, British Columbia, where a facility is being established that will allow the conversion of natural gas to liquefied natural gas. So companies like Tourmaline are not going to have to send their gas to Texas for export. They will just use the facilities in Kitimat, British Columbia, which will convert the natural gas to LNG and send this LNG product internationally to Asian markets through the Pacific Ocean. This way, Tourmaline Oil can reduce its expense and increase its profit. It will really allow Tourmaline to be very, very productive. The revenue will really go high, and it will be great for all the shareholders of Tourmaline. Essentially, it's a game changer, and this is expected to be completed in 2025. Right now, it's about 85% complete, this whole project of LNG Canada. So this was my video on Tourmaline. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give me a reply, comment, let me know what you think, and I hope to see you guys next time. Thank you.